Vaillant previous fault codes. So I came to this Vaillant and it had a F22 fault code, and by pressing minus and information, the previous fault codes came up, and I can see that F22 has come up many times. I topped the pressure up via this quick fill. This kind of system should have a pressurization unit on it, but it hasn't. It looks like they're choosing to top it up as and when they're ready. The strangest thing is that the boiler next to it, which is on the same circuit, didn't have low pressure, so that's an interesting one. On these, when they do lose pressure though, as well as topping them up, it is good to check. It's good to check the expansion vessel. This unit has an external expansion vessel. Gonna check the shredder valve. Okay, it had a bit of water at first. I thought it had penetrated, but it seems like it has got charge in it. You know, to charge these, you have to isolate them and drain the water and pump it up. Another thing you should check when you have like F22 is check the pump is operating as well, because the sensor is sensing the difference between the flow and return. So it's good to see if the pump is rotating. Yep. It is. I mean, you can do an amp check on this, but that might be going a bit too extreme. But you've got the readings there that it should be. Shows you the sort of readings you can be getting on the pump, but this is clearly spinning. Ensure the washers are in place on these and that there's no muck on them. So as well as checking the pump, do be careful with these capillary tubes, because when you close the case they can get caught and burst, and then you're in trouble. So we've got the pressure sensor there. This can be, the boiler can be isolated, drained, and then you clean the sensor out, this part, the black side. They're usually cheap, you can also replace them, so, but they can be taken out and then knocked out and cleaned, a little hole inside of them. So this again is us checking the last fault codes. And on my boiler 2 nearby, F28 lockout, ignition lockout, and then F29. Okay, thank you for joining me. I hope that's helped. Leave comments in the section below, please. All right, till next time. Bye.